Now let move towards creating the sub pages of this website. As mentioned, I have already created a site map, that is the flow or interlinking of how the pages will be related to each other. Just let us go through that particular flow or site map. This is the site map. So home page, under the home pages, these 5 pages will be there and these pages will be linked around this. So right now what I will do, I will create these number of pages. So about us, so go back to our design view. Now here there is a link for pages. So click on the pages. Now I have already created the home page. What I have to do is I have to insert a page. So at the bottom there is a button that is having a plus sign. So when I click plus, it will add a new page. So which is the new page? That is about us. Okay, done. So you can see that a new page has appeared about us. What I will do here is that I will create a hierarchy of web page and then I will add the contents to this web page. Okay, so about us, then the next page is courses. So courses. What is the third page? That is governing bodies. The third page, I am creating a new page, governing bodies of the NRC. What is the next page? It is gallery and contact us. So add a new page, gallery, and the final page is contact us. Okay, here now you will be able to find that home page is there and along with that these many pages are there. Now just go back to our hierarchy of web pages. It is showing me that under about us there are 3 web pages: about our university, about our HRDC, and about the NRC. So what I have to do is I have to create a sub page. So just go to that about us. When I am moving the cursor on this page about us, there are three dots actually, which indicates a pop-up menu. So when I am clicking here, it is showing me some options like make home page. If I want this page to be home page, which I am not willing right now, if I want the same page to be duplicated, then I can click here. Right now I don't need that. The properties through which I can change the name of the web page and add sub page, hide from navigation. If I have created the web page, but then right now I don't want this web page to be displayed on my website, so it will be hidden. And if I don't want this web page, so I can delete it. Right now what I am interested in is I want to add a sub page to this web page. So create a sub page. What is the name of sub page? The about is Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Okay, about SGB Amravati University. See, you will find that under about us one more page has been added. What I have to do is I have to add one more page under about us. So again I will click here, drop down menu. What I have to do is add more sub page, that is about HRDC. So second web page has been added. I have to add one more page, and that is about NRC. So you can see that now I have added 3 sub pages below this about us. Let us see. Okay, now under governing bodies there are 4 web pages for various committees. I am going to add all the 4 web pages. So I will select that governing bodies. So I am taking the cursor there, There is a link for drop down menu. What I have to do is, yes, I have to add a sub page. So click on sub page. The first committee is academic council. This is the most important body or committee that governs the functioning of the NRC, academic council. I will add one more page, that is for academic advisory committee. Then I am adding one more page, that is academic coordination committee, and one more committee is remaining, and that is technical committee. So what I have done actually is that I have chosen a separate page for displaying all these committees. It is not mandatory, since I have told you earlier that this is just a website for the purpose of training only. So I have chosen different web pages for displaying the members of different committees. You can show it on a single web page also as per your convenience. So now if I go back to my sitemap, you will now see that I have created all the sub pages of my website. What is now remaining is put the contents for all of these web pages. And from where I would get that contents? Of course, I have created and stored the contents in that Word file. So what simply I have to do is, I have to switch the window to that Word file, copy from that part and paste it here. Okay. So this has made my job very easier. So what I will do, I will go to this first part about SGB Amravati University. Okay, about SGB Amravati University. Now what I have to do is, I have to add the names of the members of, sorry, I have to display the contents of about our SGB Amravati University, and naturally the contents will be text content. So again two ways, either I will select the text box from this insert menu, or I will double click here, whatever is convenient to you. I have double clicked, selected the text box here. Now the about our SGB University, this information I haven't actually stored in my Word document. Why? Because I am willing to take this from the web portal of our own university. Okay. So what I will do, I will open one new window where I will be typing the address of our university, sgbau.ac.in. Here when I click on about us, there is a option about university. So here I am going to copy this entire text from this web page to my web page. So copy and paste. See now how this particular web page will look like. Okay, this has been shown like a mobile screen, and this is on a larger screen. So about SGB Amravati University. Now what I did here is that I have copied from some another website and pasted those contents on my web page. Now is it really valid or is it legal? Of course, it's not recommended to do this. Why I have done this? Because I am just willing to show the contents of about our university, and this is a test website. So I have done this. So it is always recommended to create your own contents.